Hey, Tip Tuesday listeners, and welcome back to the show. This is episode 4 of our 4-part series, breaking down what homeowners, home buyers, home sellers need to know about the big, beautiful bill that just got passed. This is Ryan. Hello, Ryan.
Hello, Katie. Welcome back, everyone.
Yes, and I can't wait to dive into this next one. Let's do it, Ryan. We are talking gift and estate tax limits increase.
Yeah, we've been getting some questions about this here because, it was kind of announced with the big, beautiful bill and all the provisions that there were some changes with gifts and the taxes on it. And Katie, this is important to us because when it comes to purchasing homes, outside of personal savings and down payment assistance programs, another big source is really down payment gifts from family.
Right.
Personally, my team and I, we were kind of looking at the numbers, and about 30% of our purchases in the last 12 months had some kind of a family gift, either for down payment or closing costs. So in 2025, this really hasn't changed. You can give up to $19,000 to any one person in a year without incurring a gift tax. If you're married, you double it. It's one for each individual. So that's $38,000. So that really didn't change, actually. So I'm glad we could address that because that's what I think a lot of people have questions about. The changes in the bill, really, yeah. So the changes increase the total, generational transfer. So this is more for kind of high income families, up to 15 million per individual or 30 million for married couples. So,
wow.
And hearing this change, I just want to make sure everybody's aware it's more for these bigger, wealth transfers and not really as much of a change for the smaller gifts for down payment. So, and again, that's really staying the same where it's $19,000 per year for one person, or married $38,000, which is still a good chunk and can really take care of most of your down payment, especially if you're doing a first-time home buyer. You only need 3% down, or FHA's 3.5%. That will really cover a lot of it, depending on your purchase price. So, yeah.
Yes, awesome. Well, I love that. Thank you for that clarification because these things are super confusing, and there's reasons why people go to school for years and years and years to decipher these things and to work in these areas of our administration and all of that, and they really understand this stuff, whereas us normal folk that just go to work every day and do our thing might not necessarily understand those bits and pieces, those details, and so I really appreciate the clarification here, Ryan. Thank you again. That is a wrap, guys. That is our 4-part series on the big, beautiful bill, breaking down the things that matter to homeowners, home buyers, and home sellers. Hope to see you next week. I wonder what we'll have in store for you then. I don't know, Ryan. We'll have to see.
Looking forward to it.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Looking for the right home loan can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Hi, I'm Ryan Gilliam, an Arizona native with 20 years of experience helping families find the best mortgage solution for their needs. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or refinancing, I make the process simple, stress-free, and tailored just for you. I help you access better rates, offer guidance tailored to your goals, and make the mortgage approval process easier every step of the way. Your best mortgage starts with the right partner. Let's make your home goals happen. Reach out today.